This will be an eco-friendly logo which has sustainable, structured and an organic vibe. The client requirement is the logo should combine leaf with a window or any structure. Let's write all the important points so that we should not miss any of them while creating logo. Start creating window panel using rectangle tool as shown on the screen. Then we'll create V-shape using pen tool inside the rectangle which will be seeing as word end. If this video is useful to you, then subscribe my channel as many logo designs are uploaded for the inspirations. Watch till end of this video as I will be telling you how to check the logo which is created by you is up to the mark as per client needs. This is a minimalist logo created using some simple shapes. To keep the enthusiasm of creating logo, this video is kept little faster. At any mode, if you feel this logo is unfit as per client needs, you can skip this video or you can give your valuable suggestion in the comment box as it will be highly appreciated. Remember one thing, after creating each and every shape, select all the shapes and go to object and expand all the stroke and fill of the shapes so that while scaling it can scale at any sizes. Now this logo recognizes window, leaf and verdant V, so I am fully satisfied. Let's see what result comes at the end. Now let's type the logo name. Here we will be using Futura font which exactly matches the monogram. If you have any other font, then please tell me in the comment box. For color, we will be using the earthy tones like orange and green. Green for organic and orange for architecture. Some other colors also you can use like dark brown, orangish brown and green. While giving the final touch, I noticed alignment of text is not proper. So remember, before presenting the logo to the client, you must check the alignment and the logo should scale at any sizes. It is very important. So in the text it is very difficult as there are straight lines and curved lines. If the problem persists like this, then follow the steps as shown on the screen. The straight lines can align faster than the curved lines. If you are new to my channel, then subscribe my channel for such logo design, and many logo designs are uploaded, so it is very good for the inspiration, and other tips and tricks are also uploaded. Please watch them. You must represent the logo in two colors to the client. That is, first is black and white and next is the color logo. The mockup used is taken from ChatGPT, which I asked them to create. Now that moment came for which you all were waiting for. The logo is ready and you need a feedback. Just ask to ChatGPT and rate your logo and it will help you if needed any changes. And you can do accordingly. If this video find it useful, then press the thumb button and see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.